Sleep's a wonderful thing. Wouldn't you agree? Everyone loves to fall into a deep slumber and wake up feeling completely refreshed and full of life. The average person spends 1/3 of their time life sleeping. That's roughly 1,094 for 4,082 hours. While it varies from person to person, a sound louder than 40 decibels is more than enough to keep someone awake. However, once the subject is asleep, it could take more than 60 decibels to wake them up. This is just louder than a washer or dryer running if you were seated next to it. Luckily, most things that aren't that loud, much as human footsteps. If you were lying down and someone stepped right past you, it would reach out about 20 decibels. Or a tapping sound on your windows, reaching just about 10 decibels. Especially something like that blade being drawn from the shelf, reaching down at 17 decibels. Oh, I'm rambling. Anyway, sweet dreams.